What if I told you that I just found one of the newest AI niches on the internet right now? Well, I'm talking about these viral time-lapse plant growth videos. They're visually satisfying, incredibly calming, and honestly, almost impossible to scroll past. Your brain just wants to keep watching. And the best part, almost nobody is talking about this niche yet. So, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create videos like these without spending a single dollar. Yep, completely free. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, I've already created a master prompt for you guys, and you'll find a link in the pinned comment below. Once you have it, simply copy the entire master prompt and open Claude AI. Now, paste the entire master prompt into the prompt box and hit send. Within just a few seconds, Claude AI generates 10 different plant growth video ideas for you to choose from, including strawberries, mangoes, and a bunch of other interesting options. Not enough ideas? No problem. Simply type more into the prompt box and hit send again. And just like that, Claude instantly gives you another fresh batch of completely different ideas. It's basically an endless idea machine, which is pretty convenient because running out of content ideas is officially no longer an excuse. Choose whichever idea you like. For this tutorial, I'm going with number 4. So I simply type 4 into the prompt box and hit send again. Just like that, Claude generates an extremely detailed video prompt that's specifically designed for the Omni Flash video model. Once you have the prompt, copy the entire thing and open Google Flow AI. Once you're inside, switch to video generation mode. Then, select your preferred aspect ratio and the number of outputs you want. Next, choose the Omni Flash video model. Once everything is set up, paste the video prompt into the prompt box, hit generate, and wait about a minute. And there it is, as you can. See, our video has been generated. Now, take a look at the result. The video looks almost exactly how we wanted it. And it even generates the background music automatically, which honestly saves a lot of time. Once you're happy with your video, simply download it in the highest resolution available. And by using this exact same workflow, you can create all kinds of different plant growth videos over and over again. And if you want to discover viral AI niches before everyone else jumps on them, make sure to subscribe to Creator Guide Wojak so you never miss the next opportunity before the market gets saturated. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.